Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in this particular video, I am going to discuss the solution of the first question of free maths mock test that I shared with you people in the last video. It says if alpha, beta, gamma are angles in open interval 0, pi by 2 such that 12 into inside the bracket 2 cos alpha plus sine beta plus 5 into inside the bracket cos beta plus 4 sine gamma plus 7 into inside the bracket 3 cos gamma plus sine alpha equal to 67, then the value of 36 into tan of alpha plus beta plus 135 into tan of beta plus gamma plus 1092 into tan of gamma plus alpha is. That means we have to find the value of this particular expression, and we have been given only one equation in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. Now students, since there are three variables and only one equation is available, so clearly this is a tricky problem. And the trick is that I will readjust the terms given in this particular equation. I am rewriting them as 24 into cos alpha plus 7 into sine alpha inside the bracket plus then we have 12 sine beta plus 5 cos beta, and then we have 20 sine gamma plus 21 cos gamma, and this is equal to 67. Now students, we move further. Now students, we have 24 cos alpha plus 7 sine alpha plus 12 sine beta plus 5 cos beta plus 20 sine gamma plus 21 cos gamma equal to 67. If you have prepared well, then you must be knowing that the expression a cos alpha plus b sin alpha always lies between minus square root of a square plus b square and square root of a square plus b square. Now students, since the right hand side of this particular equation is a positive number, so if I try to find the maximum values of all of these three expressions by using this concept, then what do I get? I get the maximum value of 24 cos alpha plus 7 sin alpha as square root of 24 square plus 7 square, which comes as 25. The maximum value of 12 sine beta plus 5 cos beta comes as square root of 12 square plus 5 square, which is 13. And the maximum value of 20 sine gamma plus 21 cos gamma comes as square root of 20 square plus 21 square, which is square root of 841, and this comes out to be 29. If you just add these three values, 25, 13 and 29, it comes out to be 67. So this clearly implies that the values of alpha, beta and gamma which satisfy this particular equation will be those values for which 24 cos alpha plus 7 sin alpha will become maximum. Similarly, 12 sin beta plus 5 cos beta will also become maximum, and 20 sine gamma plus 21 cos gamma will also become maximum, right? Now students, if in the expression a cos alpha plus b sin alpha, I put a as r cos theta and b as r sin theta, then this expression clearly becomes equal to r into cos of theta minus alpha. This clearly implies that the maximum value of this expression is r, and the value of r you can easily obtain by squaring these two equations and then adding them. So from here you clearly get r square equal to a square plus b square, or r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Now, when will the expression a cos alpha plus b sin alpha attain its maximum value? That will happen when theta becomes equal to 2n pi plus alpha, because we have to make cos of theta minus alpha equal to 1. The maximum value of cosine is 1. So that means theta minus alpha must be equal to 2n pi, or theta must be equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Now since alpha is a angle lying in the first quadrant, so obviously we will have to put n as 0. That means theta must be equal to alpha, right? So the same thing you have to apply in all the three equations. So from here you can easily get the values of alpha, beta and gamma. Now students, how to get the value of alpha? Now since we have got theta equal to alpha, so let's find theta first. Just divide these two equations. From here you get tan theta equal to b by a, or theta becomes equal to tan inverse b by a. This is the direct formula you can use. I am just explaining its derivation to you. Now students, this clearly implies that alpha is equal to tan inverse of 7 upon 24, because here b is 7 and a is 24, right? Now similarly you can find the values of beta and gamma also. Let's move further. Now students, we have got the value of alpha as tan inverse 7 upon 24. So applying the same concept, we get the value of beta as tan inverse 12 upon 5, and the value of gamma as tan inverse of 20 upon 21. Now we can easily find the value of the required expression, and the required expression is 36 into tan of alpha plus beta plus 135 into tan of beta plus gamma plus 1092 into tan of gamma plus alpha. Now students, we have to simply apply the formula of tan a plus b. So I can easily find the value of tan alpha plus beta as tan alpha plus tan beta divided upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So just put the values of tan alpha and tan beta. You will get 7 upon 24 plus 12 upon 5 whole divided upon 1 minus 7 upon 24 into 12 upon 5. So just do the calculations. It becomes 120 in the denominator, and in the numerator it becomes 35 plus 288 into this value in the denominator is 1 minus 7 upon 10. This is 3 upon 10. So here it becomes 10 upon 3. Now students, this is 323 divided upon 36. So clearly the value of 36 into tan of alpha plus beta becomes 323. Now we find the value of 135 into tan of beta plus gamma. Now students, we have to get the value of 135 into tan of beta plus gamma. So tan of beta plus gamma is nothing but tan beta plus tan gamma divided upon 1 minus tan beta into tan gamma. So this becomes 12 upon 5 plus 20 upon 21 divided upon 1 minus 12 upon 5 into 20 upon 21. So just do the calculations. In the denominator we get 105, and this is in the numerator 12 into 21. So this becomes 210 plus 42, which is 252. Then we have plus 100, and into, in the denominator we have 1 minus 16 upon 7. So this is minus 9 upon 7, and here it becomes minus 7 upon 9. So 7 cancels with 105. It becomes 15. And this is finally minus 352 divided upon 135. So that means the value of 135 into tan beta plus gamma is equal to minus 352. Right? Now students, we move towards the last expression, and that is 1092 into tan of gamma plus alpha. Now tan of gamma plus alpha is tan gamma plus tan alpha divided upon 1 minus tan gamma into tan alpha. So this becomes 20 upon 21 plus 7 upon 24 divided upon 1 minus 20 upon 21 into 7 upon 24. Now here in the LCM of the denominators, we get the LCM of 21 and 24. So this becomes 168. In the numerator, we get 160 plus 49. And this value in the denominator is 1 minus 5 upon 18. This is 13 upon 18. So here we get 18 upon 13. Right? Now this becomes 9 over here, and this is 84. Now students, we move further. Now students, this becomes equal to 209 into 9 divided upon 1092. So clearly the value of 1092 into tan of gamma plus alpha becomes equal to 1881. So finally the value of the required expression becomes 323 minus 352 plus 1881. And finally this comes as 1852. So that means option C is the correct one. Now students, I will discuss the second question with you very soon, and probably today itself I will post the second question of this free mock test. You can solve that question on your own, and then later on we will discuss its solution. Keep watching my videos. Share these videos among your friends as well, so that they can also be benefited from them. Thanks.